What's up guys? Welcome back to the Chemical Guys Detail Garage. Today we have this 2009 370 Nismo in the shop, and we're going to be going over how to properly clean your fender wells and how to properly protect it. Let's get to it! So a lot of people forget to clean up and protect the fender wells when it comes to detailing. Why? Because a lot of people say, I can't really notice them, my car's too low, I can't fit my hand in there. But there's different ways you could attack it. One way, jack up the car, take off the wheel. But if you do have a lifted truck, lifted car, or the car is not as low, like this 370Z, just simply turn the steering wheel one way, then turn it the opposite way, get your hand in there, and then it'll be completely restored. So today I'll be using All Clean All-Purpose Cleaner. All Clean All-Purpose Cleaner is, like I said, it's an all-purpose cleaner. You could use it virtually anywhere. Interior, exterior, undercarriage, engine bay. This is just gonna be a cleaner. So whenever you spray it down onto your undercarriage, you're actually gonna be removing all the old dressings, gunk, whatever this 370Z's been through. So I can show you guys a quick 50-50. I'm gonna get my tape. And now I'll go to the area I'll be working on. To begin the process of cleaning the undercarriage, I'll go ahead and get my All Clean. All Clean, like I said, is just gonna be a cleaner. It is a citrus-based product, so all you do is spray it on there. And I like to let it sit for like 15 seconds to 20 seconds, just so it could actually agitate the grime and the chemicals doing the most of the work, because less elbow grease is better for you, better for me. But today I'll be using the Goat Boar's hairbrush. If you are working on the bigger fender well, you could use a green flag tip brush, but just for demonstration purposes, I'm going with the smaller brush. I could just stay in control. So I'll spray my brush as well. And then you'll go to the area and you'll just start scrubbing it. We stressed it a lot for you to clean up your trim pieces before applying the dressing, because then that is going to allow the dressing to bond properly to the surface, and it's actually gonna last as long as it's supposed to. For example, this top part is neglected. There's some people that just go ahead and get bare bones, spray it on there, and over time they'll say it did not last as long. But you need to keep in mind, do the proper prep and the dressing will last properly. So now that I've just finished scrubbing down All Clean, I'll get my clean microfiber towel. But this microfiber towel has a tag on it, and we recommend removing it because you want to reduce the chances of scratching the surface of either the plastic or the paint. So all you need to do, put your little finger through here and you pull. Put the tag aside, and now I'll get my green microfiber towel and just buff off any residue. And just so I can neutralize the chemical, I'll spray water on it, but you guys can see how much grime came off of that undercarriage. So in my secondary spray bottle, I have water, and this is just gonna help me neutralize the area, just so I can make sure I get All Clean completely off and there's no runoff or won't intervene with my bare bones dressing. So now I just finished cleaning up the undercarriage or the fender well. I let it flash, I let it dry up, just to show you guys the before, the medium, and the after effect. So right now we're in the medium stage. So if I rub my fingers on it, it's clean. There's no grime coming off of it. And this is how it looks after it is dry. But to my eyes, it still looks neglected, it still looks dull. So to enhance the shine and reach that ultra black depth look, I'm gonna be using Bare Bones. So Bare Bones is an oil-based dressing that can be used on undercarriage. The reason why I like using Bare Bones is because it's oil-based. If I run over a splatter of water and it runs onto my fender wells or my undercarriage, it's not gonna be running off because oil and water does not mix. And now there's different ways you could apply Bare Bones. Bare Bones, you could simply just spray it on there, but since I am working in a controlled area, I'll be using a microfiber applicator. It's just cleaner, you don't have runoff, and you get to control exactly where the product goes. But if you do just spray it on there, just wipe off any residue. So I'll spray it onto my microfiber towel. 1, 2 sprays. And now I'll go to the area I'm gonna be applying it to and just massage it back and forth. And this is gonna make sure the undercarriage or the fender well stays black for much longer. And for like the harder reach areas, like I was saying, like down here, you could just get your Bare Bones, spray it right there, and you're good to go. And once it's already applied, you get a clean microfiber towel just to wipe off any residue that's on the surface. And wow, that is a big before and after. So as you guys can see down here, it's clean, it's protected, it looks black just how I wanted it. It doesn't deceive the look of the vehicle. Compared to up here, it's dull, it's grayish, and it makes the look of the vehicle not pop. So whenever you're driving down the freeway and you see this, it looks amazing. Compared to this, no. But guys, if you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below. Let us know what type of video you want to see, and we'll see you guys next time right here at the Chemical Guys Detail Garage.